So, good day everyone. So, if I had to pick the most challenging statement from this alternative Confucian ethical creed that I made, it would definitely be my Junzi statement. So, I shall not rationalize my inaction by citing personal convenience or perceived futility. I commit to confronting injustice immediately, understanding that the moral duty of a Junzi is measured by the righteousness of the action, not the certainty of success. This one is tough because it directly confronts our human tendency towards self-preservation and the comfort of the status quo. In a complex world like the Philippines, where injustices can be deeply entrenched and powerful, the idea of confronting injustice immediately without a guarantee of success is daunting. It's easy to tell yourself that one person can't make a difference or that taking a stand might jeopardize your own stability, reputation, or safety. So the allure of rationalizing inaction, claiming that it's not my fight, too dangerous or futile, is incredibly strong. This statement, however, strips away those excuses. It emphasizes that the moral worth of the action itself, the act of doing what is right, is paramount regardless of the outcome. It's about maintaining your integrity and fulfilling a higher moral duty. To truly live as a Junzi in this context means accepting vulnerability and prioritizing moral courage over personal comfort or the desire for immediate results. It asks us to cultivate a profound inner strength that defies external pressures, and that, for me, is the ultimate challenge. Thank you.